Good morning, educators. Before I begin, I just want to acknowledge that integrating technology isn't easy. As we educators, we feel challenges, technical difficulties, but we are pushing ourselves to transform learning into experiences. So today, I'd like to share with you an activity that harnesses technology. So it is enhancing oral communication. So in this activity is titled Technology Enhanced Language Learning Activity Pronunciation Practice Using Interactive and Multimedia Tools. So this will be the topic of our activity. So it is Technology Enhanced Language Learning Activity Pronunciation Practice Using Interactive and Multimedia Tools. So this will be the task. Pronunciation Relay Challenge. So in this activity, students will participate in a pronunciation relay game where they will listen to, practice to, and accurately pronouncing words using the tools which is the Youglish and Padlet. So this activity is designed for intermediate learners or English learners, or we can call it grade 8 learners. So helping them to refine their pronunciation skills in engaging collaboration in a classroom setting. So this will be the target learners. So this is the intermediate learners or the grade 8 students, and this will be our objectives. Our objectives is demonstrate correct pronunciation of commonly mispronounced English sounds by actively participating in pronunciation relay games. So this will be the goals that we attain. For example, we will show different words here. And the first member of the group will read this word. If he or she can pronounce this word properly, she will go to the app or the tools, Youglish. This will be the Youglish. And then she will listen the proper word of this. For example, let's listen it.
We used to think, all these erroneous consensus realities that we had agreed upon were smashed by science, transforming the way we understood ourselves. We used to think we were separate from the other animals, and then we realized that we were descended from apes, And then it just keeps getting weirder and weirder, because now we're at the point that through quantum physics, through things like nanotechnology, what we're starting to understand is that...
So, to make it short, we will providing word into the Padlet tools. This will be the tools or Padlet. Show here is the Padlet that give the words or providing words, different words, for example. And then if they can provide the word or pronouncing properly, they will find the proper pronounce it in this Youglish. Okay? So let's proceed to another post. Here we go. This will be the description of the game. So this interactive pronunciation relay game is designed for grade 8 intermediate learners who often struggle with pronunciation accuracy, stress patterns, and speaking confidence. This activity incorporates Youglish, a digital tool that provides authentic pronunciation, examples for real videos, and Padlet, an interactive platform to display target words. Students will listen to native speakers on Youglish, practice the words, and participate in a relay game where they must pronounce words correctly before passing them to their teammates. So in short, that before they are passing the words, they will listen first the proper pronunciation from Youglish in order for them to know the proper pronunciation, and then they will proceed to the next person in order for the sounds of the words or the properly pronouncing is good, no? So let's proceed to the rationality. So this technology enhanced game makes pronunciation practice interactive, engaging, and accessible for grade 8 intermediates. Intermediate who often struggle with pronunciation, accuracy, stress pattern. This will be the rationality of the activity. So this technology enhanced game makes pronunciation practice interactive, engaging, and accessible for grade 8 intermediate learners who often struggle with pronunciation accuracy, stress patterns, and listening comprehension. So the Youglish exposes students to various accents and natural speech, helping them improve listening skills and pronunciation. Padlet visually organizes learning materials, keeping the activity structured and easy to follow. The relay game format promotes collaboration, motivation, and active learning, addressing students' difficulty in speaking confidently. By integrating digital tools, this also strengthens 21st century skills such as digital literacy, teamwork, and communication, making pronunciation practice both effective and enjoyable. These technology tools, which is the Youglish and Padlets, are useful for intermediate learners to promote or to enhance pronunciation accuracy. And let's proceed to assessment. So first, we have formative pronunciation observation. So in formative pronunciation observation, monitor accuracy during the relay game and provide corrective feedback. And in summative pronunciation challenge, the students demonstrate mastery by correctly pronouncing select words. And last assessment, we have self-assessment. Students compare initial and final pronunciation. So in goal setting, identify areas for improvement using insights from Youglish and Padlets. This will be the rubric of the activity. We have pronunciation accuracy, clarity and intelligibility, engagement with Youglish and Padlet, confidence, fluency, and listening to the scoring guide. What are you waiting for? Use this activity tool now. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.